To solve such an equation, we begin by dividing throughout by x square. Why x square? We are dividing throughout by x square because we are aiming at creating a quadratic equation. So we begin by dividing throughout by x square, then dividing every item by x square. So x power 4 divided by x square minus 4x cubed divided by x square plus 6x square out of x square minus 4x out of x square plus 1 out of x squared. So typically everything we divide it by x squared. So 0 out of x squared is 0. So there we have x squared minus 4x plus 6, they cancel, minus 4 out of x, and then plus 1 out of x square is equal to 0. So we can collect the squares together and those that are not squares. So we shall have x square plus 1 out of x square collected together minus 4x minus 4 out of x. So we have negative 4x minus 4 out of x plus 6 is equal to 0. So now we go ahead to do some simple rearrangement. So we pull out the 4 into x plus 1 out of x. So we factorize out the negative 4. So plus 6 is equal to 0. The other one remains the same. So remember, we come and let x plus 1 out of x. So we let it to be m. So we come and say m is equal to x plus 1 out of x. So we let that thing. That is an equation. So we let it. So we go ahead to square it to compare it with the x square plus 1 out of x square. So when we square it, we shall have expanding, we shall have x square plus 2. Remember, the x times 1 out of x becomes 1. Then plus 1 out of x square. So we shall have m square. So collecting like terms together, we shall have m square minus 2. So we are creating something that resembles or similar to what we have in the equation. So we have created it there. So m square minus 2. So we substitute them accordingly in our prior equation. So we shall have m square minus 2. Then minus 4m. Then plus 6 is equal to 0. So simplifying, we shall have m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it is helping you. So using factorization, we shall have m minus 2, everything is squared, is equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to 2. So when m is equal to 2, we substitute it back in our original equation of x plus 1 out of x. So x plus 1 out of x is equal to 2. Simplifying, we get a quadratic equation of x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Please subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying. So using factorization, you have x minus 1 square is equal to 0. So therefore our x becomes 1. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friend. Meet you in the next. Thank you.